Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be doing another hair install. Now I've done the Ocean Wave and I believe it was the 14-inch, but now we're going to do the 20-inch, so I'm really excited because I really loved the hair in the 14-inch. So trying it in the 20-inch is going to be a dream because I love longer hair in general, so I'm really excited to see how this comes out and how this looks. So if you guys are interested in seeing the Ocean Wave in 20-inch, it's brand new, y'all. This is brand new. They didn't used to have it in 20-inch, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, let me know if you like this style on me, if you are feeling it, and let me know also if you guys will want a follow-up video on this. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you for your support, thank you for watching, and let's get started. Ooh, we took the hair wrap off, y'all. So we are putting on this super grow. As you can see, my edges are really thin, but they are growing back in. They are showing progress finally from my surgery, just not being able to keep nutrients down. But yes, it's looking much more better as a present day. This is a few months ago, but I definitely want to put on my super grow as I part my hair prior to putting in the braids. So you can see I'm going through my hair and putting the grease and making sure to get those edges really nice. Now I'm just going ahead and combing them where I want them to be because I don't want to braid that part into the braids. So I'm just kind of styling it how I want it, and then we're going to start to do our braid pattern and French braid back. So I'm going to go ahead and start braiding the front back, straight backs, not going all the way to the back, but going about midsection. And then I'm going to French braid across for the back. So you're going to see the braid pattern once I finish. But right now, as you can see, I am just doing my small braids going across. Take your time and do this. And I like to do usually about 10 to 12 braids. We'll see how many I finish when I do this. But as you can see, I don't go all the way back. I go like midway. And I'm just giving you guys a visual of how I do it. Trying to grip this little hair on the side, y'all. My hair broke off so bad, but thank goodness I do see a little bit of progress finally, because it was real sad. And I taught myself how to braid, so if you're not a braider, you can do this, I promise. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is all going to be covered by the hair, so you don't have to have perfect braids. You just want to get your parts as straight as you can, but the braids don't have to be super perfect. As you can see, this is my braid pattern. I showed you all the way across, and that's how the back looks. I don't care how the back looks, y'all. I just braid it across because it's going to be completely covered, so I'm not going to stress myself out trying to have straight parts for something that is going to be covered. So this is the hair. And I am putting my needle through my braid, then opening the loop, pulling one side through, and then pulling to tighten. Once again, as you can see, I loop the hair into the needle, and then I pull one piece of hair through, not two, just one, and then tighten. And that is how I put in my crochet hair. I'm just giving you guys a close-up so you can see how I do it. And hopefully this will be helpful for anybody who is trying to learn how to do crochet. It's not hard at all. So you take the hair, put the needle through, latch the loop through, put one piece of hair through the loop 2 or 3 times, and then pull to tighten, and it's literally that easy. That's just a visual of how it looks so far if I were to wear it up in a ponytail. And I'm doing my second row now. I'm just going to show you a few more of me putting them in just to give you a visual, and then we'll fast forward, of course, to the full head being done. But you don't want to see the whole head, you'll be watching it all day. But I'm just taking my time, once again putting in the latch hook through the braid, putting the loop of hair in the latch hook and pulling it down, putting one piece of the hair through 2 to 3 times and pulling to tighten. And that is literally it. So as you can see, that is half of my head done. That's how it would look if I were to wear it up. With my edges being the way they are, I wouldn't wear it all the way up that way. I would have to have some hair down and then some up so that it covers the sides until everything grows back. But if you did not have the issues I'm having right now, you could wear it up in a ponytail and it would be really cute. So I am once again showing you on the other side how I do the hair. So this is the full head done. and it is giving. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So this is the Ocean Wave 20 inch in P1B 27. And so you see the different little streaks in here. It's the 27, and then the hair is the 1B. So this hair is a little dark for me. My hair is naturally brown, so I usually use the number 4. But this is the one that was sent to me, so I was trying out this color, and I think it's cute. I'm gonna have to get used to the hair being darker, but this is the Ocean Wave in the 20 inch. I have another video of it in the 14 inch, and I thought that was really cute, and I love that. So this one, I'm just kind of pulling the ends because I just finished installing. When you finish, you have to kind of pull the ends and get all of the straggly hair. So this is what's here from when I just did that, but I still have to go through it, wet it, cut through it, and make sure that it's nice and framed. I'm going to do that. I'm going to come back tomorrow once I have that done, so I'll have a made up face so you guys can get a full slay, okay? But for today, I just wanted to show you how it looks right as soon as I'm done with it. I have had a little shedding, mostly just like I just need to go through it and pull through it and I'll get all the snags off of it, and then I think it'll be okay, and I don't think it will shed too much because the other one didn't. But I haven't really pulled through all of it yet. This is, let me turn around to the back. This is how long it is in the back. It goes about to my butt actually, so it's actually pretty long. It's 20 inches, but it feels like it's longer than 20 inches because like I said, it's up to my butt. Only 20 inches doesn't go that long. So it actually is pretty long. But I'm loving how it's looking so far. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how it will be in a side part, which is generally how I usually wear my hair, is a side part. So this would be side part like this, and I think that's cute also. And then I'll show you a deep side part just to give you some variations on looks. And this just came out. They didn't have the Ocean Wave in 20 inch before, so this is new. Let's go ahead and do a deep side part. This is if I wanted to just have that volume. Going over to the side like this, and I love that too. So I would either do a side or a deep side, probably a side for every day. If I'm going out, I would do a deep side so I have that volume, and it looks really, really cute. So I will, like I said, style it, and I'll come back tomorrow, which for you will just be another clip. But tomorrow, once I have my makeup done and I have everything, I've gone through the hair, cut through it, and make sure that everything is untangled. But this is what it is looking like, just done right after I got done putting the install in. So I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be back tomorrow, and we will wrap it up. Alright beauty, so this is my glammed up look. I told you I was going to come back glammed up. This has been in now for a few days, probably about 3 days, and this is what it's looking like so far. It is a little dry, so I'm gonna, remember I did the downy method on the hair before. I'm gonna try the downy method on it. Anytime it has color added to it like this, it tends to be drier than when it's all one standard color, so that's normal. But it's really dark, so I just gotta get used to the darkness. Like I said, I wear number 4 hair color, and this is 1B with the blonde color. But overall, I do think that it's a cute style. You guys let me know what you think. Do you like it? This is what it's looking like with my side part. I told you I'm a side part girl, so this is how I wear it when I go out. But yeah, I love it. So you guys let me know how you feel about it. This is the Ocean Wave 20-inch hair. Let me know what you guys think about the length. It's actually pretty long. Let me back it up so y'all can see. Look how long this is, you guys. This is how long it is to my boobs. So it is very long. But the curl pattern is really, really cute. So I just want to know your opinion. I feel like it is a slay. I think it's really cute. It is a little dry, like I said. That is one thing I can say about it. But I'm going to try the downy method, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. So don't forget to be all kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.